Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make New York strip steak perfectly in a cast iron pan. So let's check out the ingredients. Alright, so here's the star of our show. This is our New York strip steak. I got this at a Kent's. It's a local grocery store. We have some fresh garlic cloves. We have a rub that's really simple. I put together some butter and some rosemary and some thyme. And let's get started on the steak. Alright, so first things, make sure that your steaks are at room temperature. You never want to cook a cold steak. I want to make sure there's no moisture on these, so just taking a paper towel and doing that on each one. So if there's moisture, that is going to steam and it won't cook our steak the way we want it. So there we go. Okay. Next we're going to put our rub on it. Alright, so I made this rub. The ingredients are in the description. It's super simple stuff that you're going to have in your kitchen. We're just going to rub this in. Okay. Next we're going to get our pan ready with some good hot oil. We're going to use grapeseed oil, or you can use any other high temperature oil. Okay, like I said, cast iron pan. I'm going to do a medium heat, and I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And once that is shimmery, it's ready. Maybe a little bit of smoke, and then we're ready to put our steaks in. Alright, our pan is nice and hot, so we're going to lay these in. And yes, I'm cooking too. I'm cooking for a family, so putting tuna in the pan. So I'm going to cook those for 4 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over, and that will get us just about medium. Alright, there's 4 minutes. We're going to flip these bad boys over and check out that amazing crust. And next, we're going to add in some butter. We're going to add in 3 garlic cloves, some rosemary, and some thyme. And as that butter melts, we're going to baste these with the delicious buttery herb juices that are coming out. Alright, let's baste some of these. Alright, that's been 4 minutes, so we're going to take these off the heat, and we are going to let them rest on a pan. We're going to cover them up with tin foil. Alright, we're not going to let all of this nummy stuff go to waste. We're going to pull out the big chunks, and we are going to throw in a pound of sliced mushrooms. And the water from that's going to help deglaze this pan, so we're not going to leave any tiny bit of that awesome flavor we got going on in there. Throw in some more butter. And here go our mushrooms. We're going to cook those until they are golden brown. As you see, these look amazing. I'm going to put some salt and add some fresh cracked pepper. Alright, now's the time where we see how we did on our steaks. These were about 140 degrees when I checked. Looks like they are a good medium. The dogs are around smelling this. So there you go. Nice medium. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you could.